Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Fun Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing one of my phones I got in. Actually going to have two unboxings today. I haven't covered the information on this one yet. So I got two unboxings to do. So let's get into it. I'm not sure which one is which. I didn't even look at the tracking number. So we're just going to kind of guess it. I also got the my friend I traded the iPhone X to. He got my Note 9 in. So this weekend I'll be doing some drop test videos, and then I should have those posted. And I'll also have a vacation from work this entire next week. So this whole week I really don't have a whole lot to do. So I'll be able to do the drop tests. I'm going to order a couple more phones so we have something to do throughout the week as well. So we're going to have some videos to do. So let's go ahead and open this. And we'll figure out which one it is. I think this is going to be the SGH-I657, but I'm not too sure. So we'll figure out which one this is. I was wrong. So yeah, I was wrong. This is the Samsung Propel 2, or the Pro or something like that. It does not have a battery. I paid $4.99 for this. And it's untested. LCD doesn't look broke. It's chipped right there on the reflective though. So I'm gonna guess probably a cracked LCD. Let's see if the battery from my first Propel will fit in it. Also, I don't think I even made a video. I had the red one when I did the video. I got a blue one in too some time ago. So hopefully the batteries are the same. Oh no, they're totally different, but we'll just kind of hold the contacts on there maybe. Is that the power button? Where's the power button? Not right, here it is. Maybe it's not going to turn on. So it looks like it's probably just going to be a phone that's dead. But it was only $4, so you know. We'll keep it around for parts until I get another one that works, and then we can drop test it. I guess I can try another battery real quick. Let me see. I'm trying to think of a phone with a big Samsung battery like that. Let me try. Here's a Samsung battery. Let's see what lines of contacts. I'm not sure which way the terminals are on this phone. So let's see, we tried the positive on this. I was trying to battery the positive on the opposite side. Let's see, I think the positive is going to be on the other side, so let's see what we can find. Let's see, we need a positive on that side. I got a lot of Samsung phones, so you know, this kind of helps that we have some phones to test out. This one. Oh, there it goes. Is there gonna hold it still? Oh, I let go of it. Let me see if I can get it to turn on again. It did show the Samsung screen, so it may have some kind of power in it, some life left. There we go. It's going to ask for the SIM card I already know, being AT&T. Hope it's not locked. That's basically the only problem you have to worry about buying these phones. Oh, it's got like a little joy wheel in the center. That's kind of cool. Now this other one, which is going to be the SGH-I657. I mean, I already said at the beginning, so you're already going to know what that is. It should work perfectly fine. It was $8 and it was working. Looky there, fully working. Oh, I just got a light. That was cool. So yeah, Windows Mobile sucks. But I will order a battery for it sometime, and then we will have this one. We don't have to drop test it because it works. And then we'll compare it. I'll make a separate video, and then we'll compare it to the Propel one. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.